Hello children, in the simple pendulum we have done in the last topic, and our next topic is that factors on which time period of a simple pendulum depend. We have proved that t is equal to 2 pi under root L by G. This equation we have proved earlier. Now first factor, that is mass of bob.
Good morning, teachers.
First is mass of the bob. In the relation t is equal to 2 pi under root L by G, time period only depend upon length and acceleration due to gravity. There is no relation for the mass of the bob, so time period do not depend on mass of the bob. Second, length of pendulum. Time period directly proportional to the length of the simple pendulum. If length increases, then time period also increases. If length decreases, then time period also decreases. They are vice versa. But if length is infinite, then time period is not infinite. We will do the derivation of this topic. Third is acceleration due to gravity. T inversely proportional to under root 1 by G. In the gravitation chapter we have done at altitude and depth, acceleration due to gravity decreases. If acceleration due to gravity decreases, in that cases, in the height and depth from Earth, then time period of oscillation increases. We are saying that time period increase and time period decreases. If the time period of oscillation increases, then motion of the pendulum, that will be slow. If time period decreases, then motion of the pendulum, that will be fast. Next is seconds pendulum. Seconds pendulum. A simple pendulum whose time period of oscillation is 2 seconds. So, for the seconds pendulum, time period is 2 seconds. T is equal to 2 pi under root L by G. Now we can calculate the length for the seconds pendulum. This is equation number first. Put T is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2 pi under root L by G. By putting the value of pi and G, we calculate length, that is 99.9 centimeter, which is approximately 100 centimeter, and that is 1 meter. So for the seconds pendulum, the length of the simple pendulum, that should be approximate 100 centimeter or 1 meter.